What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can launch your own Solana meme coin for completely free, get buyers, and then withdraw all the Solana from the liquidity pool into your wallet. And no, I'm not exaggerating when I say this whole process takes maybe 20 to 30 minutes max. And yeah, I'm also doing a giveaway. I'm giving out 1 SOL each to 25 people. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop your Solana wallet address in the comments, and share this video with at least 5 people. Super simple, full details are in the pinned comment below. So right now I'm on Photon and I want to show you something real quick. I'm going to filter for only pump.fun tokens here. As you can see, coins are being created literally every couple of seconds. It's completely saturated. Like if you launch something here, 30 seconds later, your coin is buried under 10 other tokens. It's chaotic. Now instead of pump fun, let me switch this filter to coins on Radium. See the difference? Much slower. Way fewer tokens are being launched every minute, which is perfect for us because that means more visibility. This is the kind of environment we want. Now before we actually create the token, we need a solid meme coin idea. Something that catches attention, feels current, maybe even a little funny. I'm heading over to Deck Screener. This is where I usually go when I need some quick inspiration. I usually check the trending tab to look for the tokens with the biggest trading volumes and market caps. We can also go to the top tokens tab and check for popular tokens here, but honestly, doing this manually every time is pretty boring. You gotta scroll through a bunch of coins, come up with a name, think of a logo idea, and sometimes it just takes forever. So to skip all that process, I'm jumping over to novatools.win. This is where I actually create my tokens. And the cool part is, they have an AI feature built in that basically handles all the creative stuff for you. On top of that, it's also completely free. Novatools doesn't charge any fee for creating a coin. You just have to put some Solana into the liquidity pool, which you can always get back fully if your coin doesn't get any buyers, so it's completely risk-free. Once we are on Novatools, we are going to click on Create Token button. After that, I'm going to press on the Ask AI button to generate a meme coin idea. Alright, let's see what it gives us. Nah, I don't like this one. Let me try a few more times. Okay, this one right here, I think it's a good one. Name's catchy, the logo looks decent, I'm going with this. Now here's the important part. I'm enabling the liquidity option. You want this checked because it makes the token tradable, and adds that initial liquidity pool to attract buyers. I've got 3 SOL in this wallet, so I'm putting all of it in the liquidity pool. The more you add here, the better your coin will perform. People tend to trust it more if a coin has bigger liquidity pool. After that, we are going to click Next, and then click on Create Token. Okay, now it's asking me to complete the transaction, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. Transaction sent. Now I gotta copy the transaction ID and paste it into the site here. Give it a second, and boom, as you can see, our coin has been created. Let's head into the portfolio page to check how our coin is performing. Yep, there it is. And look at that, we're already getting some buyers in. People are buying into it already, probably just based on the chart and the name. This part's actually kind of fun. You just sit and watch your token get volume. I usually wait until the liquidity pool grows a bit before pulling the plug, so I'm going to let this run for about 10 to 15 minutes and check back. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and the pool's sitting at around 15 Solana right now. Not bad for a token I made less than half an hour ago. I'm going to withdraw the liquidity now, clicking on Withdraw Liquidity. Now it's asking for my wallet address, so I'm going to copy and paste my wallet address here. Hit withdraw and there it is. Liquidity's completely gone from the pool. Let's check our wallet and see if we received it. Boom! As you can see, I have the entire 15 SOL in my wallet, worth around 2.6k, just like that. And that's it. From start to finish, we launched a token, let it run, and walked away with almost $3,000, all in under 30 minutes. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to respond to as many as I can. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and enter the giveaway if you haven't already. Pinned comment has all the info. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.